everyone, my name is Li Yuanji. Today, I am excited to present our comprehensive analysis report on online shopping trends across 5 regions in the United States. This report leverages the powerful data analysis tool Power BI to provide a detailed visual examination of the current state of e-commerce in the U.S. The U.S., with its major e-commerce market and the major platforms like Amazon and eBay, has significantly influenced global online shopping habits. Despite the robust growth of e-commerce, recent trends indicate a decline in the numbers of online shoppers, a critical issue this report aims to address. E-commerce has revolutionized shopping habits, offering unparalleled convenience and variety. Events like Black Friday and Cyber Monday further boosting online sales, making them significantly driver on regional e-commerce activity. However, the COVID-19 pandemic has significantly altered online shopping patterns, resulting in both spike and decline in varying product categories. Power BI enables business to transform raw data into intuitive visual reports and dashboards, facilitating better decision-making. Visualization helps uncover patterns and insights that might be missed in traditional data analysis, making it an essential tool for business analysis. Our methodology involves 3 key steps. Firstly, problem identification. I define the key business ensure effective online shopping. Secondly, data process, collecting and reprocessing data to ensure accuracy and relevance. Finally, visualization and analysis using Power BI advanced features to create interactive visualization that highlight trends and insights. This report focuses on visual analysis 8 key factors influence the U.S. e-commerce industry using Microsoft Power BI dashboard. Examination issues such as product strategy, sales volumes, customer segmentation, and geographical factors. This target analysis helps companies filter product interfaces and guide customer purchase effectively.
Okay, let's talk about data preprocessing. As we all know, the data preprocessing contains 4 steps. The first is data cleaning. Its purpose is to eliminate errors, redundant, and data noise. Second is data integration. The data source is merged from multiple data sources into a custom data storage. Data regulations can reduce the scale of data. About data changings, converting the original data into a form suitable for data mining. In this project, we use datasets from Kangoo. This dataset includes 20 labels, covering important indicators such as gender, age, region, product types, and purchases, which are very suitable for visual analysis. In order to thoroughly study and solve business problems, we pre-process the data according to the following steps. First, a dataset is introduced into Power Query, including data cleaning, standardization, deauthorization, and conversion, and deleting missing data, eliminating unreadable abnormal values, and incorporating the first line of data into the title. Finally, the processing and conversion data is loaded into the target system to ensure that the data is stored in the data warehouse to check and verify consumer purchase behavior. For example, the distribution of date reflects the date of each transaction. Since this variable was originally presented in text format, converting it into the date format will help us analyze issues related to business. Then I built the following measurement values according to the relevant indicators of the project research issues. First, calculate total sales, which provides us with an estimate of customer expenditure. This is done by multiplying the number of transactions at the average price of each transaction. Secondly, in order to evaluate the effectiveness of the Coupa strategy, we establish the Coupa usage rate and use the divide and filter functions to calculate the transaction ratio of using Coupas. Next, in order to explore customers' shopping preferences, we calculated the number of customers in each product category. Finally, in order to view the loyalty distribution of customers, we tried to establish a customer purchase frequency, although this needs to be adjusted according to the number of transactions of each customer. In the end, the above data is based on the core customer portrait, which has great significance for the company's sales strategy and management improvement.
This report mainly studies and analyzes the online shopping data in the United States in 2019. This data analysis section mainly sets the following 8 questions. Next, I will introduce the data analysis part of the first 4 questions in details. The monthly online shopping sales trend in the United States in 2019 are illustrated by a line chart combining 3 data types: months, online spending, and quantity. Sales peaked at 11.5 million in August and reached 11.2 million again in December. The largest sale gaps were in August, 11.1 million, and September, 7.3 million. While the smallest gap were in May 7.5 million and June 7.4 million. Sales rose from January to August, peaking at 27.4 kilo, and then fell, reaching a low of 12.7 kilo in December. The trend indicates that there are seasonal changes in customer behavior, and there are obvious differences in sales and sales volume in different months. The report analyzes the issue to help companies optimize sales, inventory, and marketing strategies. The chart analysis of gender and sales in online shopping data in the United States in 2019 shows that female customers account for 62.61% and spend 1.67 times more than male customers, reaching $62 million. This shows that female customers are the main group of online shoppers. Analyzing and understanding this gender difference can help companies develop marketing strategies to better meet the needs and preference of the main female customer group, and improve sales and user satisfaction of online shopping platforms. This section examines geographic difference in online shopping consumption using a map chart to display sales by location. Chicago leads with 34.26 million in sales, accounting for 34.44%. Cities with lower sales, such as Washington, New Jersey, and New York, together accounts for only 35.21%, likely due to high urbanization and a preference for offline experience. Higher sales in Chicago and California are attributed to their technological development, large populations, and high acceptance of online shopping. This analysis helps companies tailor marketing strategies and optimize services for sustainable development. To determine which product have the most successful sales, a clustered bar chart was used to analyze products, categories, and purchase volume in the United States in 2019. Office products had the highest purchase volume at 88,383 pieces, 2.72 times more than apparel, the second highest. Office products' popularity is due to their extensive use and high demand in daily activities. Next, Canada, gift cards, and Android had a lowest sale, each under 1 kilo. Understanding which products persisted in sales helps companies optimize their product portfolio, improve sales efficiency, and enhance profitability. And next, Chen Ying will introduce the analysis of the remaining 4 research questions.
When we check customer loyalty, we look at things like how often they come back for more, how many times they buy, and how much they spend each time. If we plot loyalty over a few months, we can see when people really enjoy online shopping. The results show that December was the biggest winner, while May was a bit of a slump. This tells us that it's important to understand the value of each customer in the long run if we want to keep them coming back. Now, when we drill down into what people are buying, we can see some core trends in the pie chart. Nest USA is the star here, with 2.55 million units sold. April is in second place, with 590,000 units sold. This shows that people really like Nest USA and April, which gives companies some great hints on how they can adjust their assortment to meet the needs of their customers. After that, let's take a look at these coupons and the impact they had on sales. We can break it down with a staggered column chart showing how many people clicked on the coupons and how many actually used them. It looks like that coupons were clicked 2.36 billion times, but only 1.55 million were actually used. So, judging by the number of people who engaged and actually used these coupons, it seems like these review promotions do help boost sales. Finally, when we really dig into the data, we learn a ton about customer behavior, which helps us answer some big questions about who our primary users are. It turns out that the majority of our customers are women, making up about 62% of our total workforce. When it comes to what they buy, they love the Nest Learning Smarties third. Gen USA Steelers Steel is their favorite, accounting for nearly 50% of all purchases. As for where they shop, many of them are based in Chicago. Now, when it comes to using coupons, this is interesting. It seems like a lot of people click on them, but they don't necessarily buy anything right away. Some end up using them, but there's still a lot of uncertainty. So, to summarize, our primary customers are mostly women who love that special product, and many of them are based in Chicago. They love using coupons, but they are not always sure if they will buy. With this information, the company are really figure out how to make the most of the customer base and achieve their goals.
I will discuss key insights and recommendations for improving online shopping strategies based on our analysis. From question 1, we see that sales peaked in November and December due to holiday shopping, with extra peaks in May and August due to seasonal reasons. Focused promotions during this time can increase revenue. From question 2, we find that female consumers spend much more online than male consumers, showing a gender difference in spending. This highlights the need for marketing strategies that match female preferences. From question 3, we notice that sales in Chicago are higher than in cities like Washington, showing regional differences in spending. Adjusting marketing campaigns and product offerings based on local preferences is important. From question 4, office products are the top sellers. Prioritizing these high-selling categories while also offering a variety of products to meet wider consumer preferences is essential. From question 5, consumer loyalty is highest in December and the lowest in May. Personalized promotions can boost engagement and repeat purchase, especially during low loyalty months. From question 6, products like Nest USA and clothing are most popular among US consumers, indicating differences in what people like. Tailoring products and marketing strategies to specific consumer preferences is crucial. From question 7, consumers respond quickly to promotions and coupons, showing the need to improve promotional strategies to increase engagement and sales. From question 8, we see the importance of understanding core user profiles. Knowing these profiles is vital for business to tailor their marketing and product offerings to effectively reach their audience. Based on our analysis of several key issues, we propose the following recommendations. 1. Target promotions for peak periods. Adjust marketing strategies for seasonal trends, focusing on peak sales times like holiday shopping in November and December, and seasonal demand in May and August to maximize revenue. 2. Gender-specific marketing strategies. Create marketing strategies and products for different genders, especially women who spend more online. Use personalized recommendations, exclusive offers, and gender-specific content. 3. Marketing campaigns. Customize promotions and products based on regional preferences and identify market expansion opportunities in high-growth areas. 4. Product portfolio optimization. Diversify the product range to meet a wider variety of consumer preferences and use personalized recommendations to enhance the shopping experience. 5. Enhance the customer loyalty program. Use customer loyalty data to design target marketing campaigns. Implement personalized promotions and incentives to boost repeat purchase, especially in months with low loyalty. 6. Continue monitoring and analysis. Continue monitor customer behavior trends. Regularly evaluate data on gender differences, geography variances, product success, and customer loyalty to adjust strategies in real time.